Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree Aveni, and we got a special guest today. It's Ryleigh. Say hi, baby. She don't want to say hi right now. She just woke up, y'all. You know how babies get when they just woke up. So, what we have today is a mukbang. Yep. So the food that I have, y'all, that I'm gonna eat is we got some noodles right here. This is for her. Like, she loves some Penne Express noodles, the chow mein. What I have is Wingstop. So as far as the fries, I'm gonna put y'all on. So as far as the seasoning, it's Cajun and lemon pepper together. It tastes so bomb. And then I have a 10-piece. I got all drums, and I got mango habanero and barbecue. And then I got some dipping sauce here. It's blue cheese and ranch. And I got me a drink here. It is a strawberry lemonade. So if you guys want to see me munch down and, you know, talk about different stuff, maybe more so what I'm gonna do on this channel, what to expect from me, definitely stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so here we are, just eating food. This is really good, y'all. Y'all gotta try it. The Cajun and the lemon pepper. She reaching for the fry, y'all, but I'm not giving it to her because it's hot. But I'm gonna probably give her some of my boyfriend's because he got the regular lemon pepper one. Thank you. Okay, so here goes some fries for her. I'm gonna let her have some. Say hi, Ryleigh. Say hi, baby. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to everybody. Say hey, y'all. Yeah, so my little baby, she be acting shy sometimes. She love the camera though, I'm gonna tell y'all that. Yeah, so what's to come as far as my channel? So you guys, I'm gonna start doing pregnancy mukbangs because I know, you know, when you're pregnant, you have cravings. You feel me? Today my craving was Wingstop. I'm pretty much an indecisive eater. Like, I don't, like, you know, my boyfriend always asks, like, babe, so what do you want to eat today? And I just really can't think of what I want to eat. But he was like that he hungry, and I'm like, oh, let's get some Wingstop. Like, that, I wanted some Wingstop today. So here we are. So yeah, I am doing a pregnancy mukbang right now. Oh, look, she trying to dip it in here. She ain't gonna eat it. She gonna try to give it to me. Ryleigh, you supposed to eat it yourself. I'm gonna marry you. Here, you want some more noodles? You're so good. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing these, you know, just to see how it is. You know, maybe somebody will like it. I'm also gonna do more hair reviews. Right now on my channel, I'm known for doing little hair reviews and stuff like that. I'm gonna do more in depth, like pregnancy vlogs and stuff like that. Oh, just in case y'all was wondering, I'm basically 3 months pregnant. So I'm gonna do videos, you know, like vlogging videos, like updates on my pregnancy and stuff like that. I'm gonna do family vlogs. Like, her birthday is coming up soon, so I'm gonna definitely make sure I do a vlog for her birthday because that's gonna be like a special moment, and I want to capture it on film. What else? Oh, I'm definitely going to do clothes reviews. If anybody was wondering, this is actually a dress. I can't really show y'all because got a lot of stuff going on right now, but this is from Boohoo. Boohoo have amazing clothes, like especially like if you're on a plus size, they have like a huge plus size collection, a huge plus size collection. So you know they have some cute clothes. Like I definitely would recommend them. I think she wants some juice. Let's give her some. No? Okay, you want some more noodles? Yeah, she be tearing up these noodles, y'all. I'm just leaving noodles right here. Trying to get back to my chicken, y'all. This is bomb, y'all. Bomb. This is mango habanero, if y'all didn't catch this at the beginning. Let's see, what else? Say hi, baby. The noodles good? Is that good? There you go, baby. Say something. Say something to the camera. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes it be a hit or miss with the Wingstop. Like sometimes I don't know. Like comment down below if you get this when you're pregnant. For some reason with this pregnancy, like sometimes I don't want to eat meat. Like Wingstop, I'll just be like, I want the fries and not the meat. Like the meat just be like. Or like a hamburger, I don't want the hamburger, I just want the fries. Like I was like, I don't know, during this pregnancy, that's how it was. With her, I could eat anything and everything was fine. Sometimes I get, what is it? Morning sickness. Now I have to eat breakfast. I always been the type of person to never eat breakfast. Like, I will more so stick with like intermittent fasting and stuff like that. So I would just skip breakfast, and eat lunch and dinner. So eat like 2 meals a day. And it actually worked for me, but during this pregnancy, this baby, soon as we get up, the baby want me to eat something, put something in my stomach, or I ain't gonna feel good. Y'all see her tearing up them noodles. She tearing them up. Anybody who have a 2-year-old, like let me know if your baby eat like a bird, like, and when I say eat like a bird, meaning like they don't eat a lot, cause my baby don't eat a lot, like only when it's like her favorite stuff, like noodles or something like that, from Panda Express. She love the chow mein, But other than that, it was, I don't know, she's selective. Like, she like to eat a lot of junk. And I don't like to feed her that all day, you know? So if y'all got any suggestions, any mothers out there who experienced the terrible two, let me know. Like, with some good ideas to have her eat more of like a sturdy meal. So I'm going there with the barbecue, and she's still munching on these noodles. This blue cheese hitting. Oh, she over here throwing this on the floor. It's bad. I'm making a mess myself, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, you guys, I'm a messy eater. The food be going everywhere.
That's it.
Oh, another question, y'all. I like my chicken, like, kind of cold. I'd rather eat it cold. Like, comment down below if you like your chicken cold or hot, or which one you like. Because to me, I love it cold. Like, I feel like the flavors, like, seep in. My boyfriend think it's so weird, but he is hot. But me, I like my shit cold. Like, even if it was, like, in the refrigerator all night, like, I would warm it up. I'll just eat it like that. It tastes so good. And if you haven't tried it, don't knock it till you try it. You feel me? Let's get a close up of the baby eating. But turn it just a little bit.
This one?
Mm-hmm. She tearing that thing up. You want some drink? You want some juice? No? No? Okay. Oh, and y'all, my boyfriend is behind the camera. We're on the other side of this table. He didn't want to be in the video, y'all. I couldn't convince him. Not today. For the most part, I couldn't persuade him to do it, but not today. He wasn't feeling it. Going back in with that barbecue. Tastes so good. Good. And the crazy part is, I don't know, one time me and my boyfriend was talking, y'all, I had made, so, I used to live in Cali. In California, I had access to all the chili cheese spots, chili cheese fries spot, and it was fire. So, since I've been in Nevada, like, it hasn't been a spot. you know, so I don't know. I went to several places and they chili just ain't hitting. You feel me? Like how Cali chili be hitting. So I was like, let me make some homemade chili cheese pastrami fries. But I wanted to do something simple, you feel me? So I wasn't trying to do like no extras, trying to cook like, you know, my own chili. Like I don't have no special recipe or nothing. Or, you know, do the extras like fry the fries and do all of that. Like, so I just got the, sit down, baby. You want some drink? Here. So I had basically got the chili like in a can, and then I had got some fries, like I baked those, and then I got like some shredded cheese or whatever, and basically I baked the fries, warmed up the chili, put the cheese on it, and then I put sour cream on there, and then I like cooked the pastrami, and let me see. Yeah, it was really good. Like it was hitting. Like if you want to do something quick, easy, and simple, like it's a really quick, simple meal. It really satisfied my cravings for chili cheese fries. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. Like anytime I have cravings for that, I can just make it. She trying to get up on the table now, y'all. You gonna have to go over there, Ryleigh. Baby, look. Yeah, go over there. So she getting down, y'all. Okay. Yeah, so I had made some homemade chili cheese fries, and they were so amazing, like good. But I'm gonna give. I lost my train of thought or whatever because there was a lot of stuff going on. So basically, I had made those fries. So when I was eating them, because I had put some jalapenos on them too. But when I was eating them, I'm just like, oh my God, like this tastes so good. And I said it like maybe 3 times. And then my boyfriend I was like, my bad, babe, I keep saying it or whatever. And he was just like, it's okay, like you get excited when you eat food. And then I'm like, that's funny, because I really do. Like I love eating food. It's sad. It's sad how much I could spend on food. Because I love it that much. Like food is everything. Especially with you being pregnant. Oh my God. Food. Like you always feel hungry. That's crazy. Like I swear before I was pregnant, I didn't feel as hungry as I do now. Like I feel like I'm always hungry. I always want a snack, you know? So, I mean, I try to, you know, I don't know. I try not to go too overboard, but, you know, it'd be times where I'll just be wanting a snack or wanting, like, craving something. I don't think as of yet I had any, like, crazy type of cravings. No crazy craving. What you talk about? This my ride or die right here, y'all. She literally, she won't let me let her off my hip, period. Anytime I'm at home, like she always want to be around me. She won't even let me go to the bathroom by myself. It's just bad. It's just bad. So I'm just like, dang, once this baby come, I don't know if she gonna be jealous or what. Like she gonna see me taking care of the baby. Like, I don't know how she's gonna feel about that, you know? And I mean, it's been times where I done pointed at my stomach and said, baby, like to make her understand, but I don't think she fully understands yet until the baby is actually here. You know, then I feel like she would kind of get some understanding of what's going on. I'm making a mess, y'all. And by the way, y'all, the chicken is like pretty much cold, like, cause I actually waited. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Anytime I order food, literally, like, you can ask my boyfriend. Anytime we in the car, like, I'll eat it before we even get to the house. Like, I normally munch down, but I don't know. I guess actually sitting down at the table eating, I don't know. It's kind of slowing me down, and maybe because I'm holding her too at the same time, trying to make sure she good. But this would already been done, so I don't know, y'all. Sorry if I'm taking too long. You want some? Where's my mayonnaise at? Do y'all want some here? That was good, huh? Y'all, this one is kind of big. Something with me and big chicken, I just can't do it. Like, why is it that big? Like, why y'all want to give me this big old piece of chicken? Not saying that I like little pieces of chicken. I do out of 10 piece. And a lot of times it's hard for me to eat like the full 10 piece. I'll probably have like 2 pieces left. And you would think I would just maybe just get the 8 piece. But no, I think with my stomach, so get the 10 piece. And then no, I'm sorry, I don't eat it. Like if I had 2 wings left, I wouldn't eat that later. I just would not. I don't know. I'm weird like that. I'm already starting to feel full, y'all. And this strawberry lemonade, y'all. I don't know if y'all Wingstop have that freestyle machine, but that's where I got it from. I picked the lemonade and then the strawberry. So good. Come on, mama. Say hi. You so cute. You so cute. happened?
What happened?
You're so cute, Ryleigh.
No, Mama, no.
Oh, also they have like where you can choose if you want to cook it extra well done. I be getting that, but sometimes it be like be stiff. So I mean, for the most part, it's been good. It's some parts on the chicken that's like kind of hard, like it was overcooked, but it's still good. It's still doing the job. What happened, baby? You want some milk? Y'all, I don't know. I have no clue what she's saying.
Mom.
What? Okay, so that sauce is out. On to the next sauce. I hate when the sauce get low. It's like you barely could dip it in. Get anything. I be liking the drench from our chicken in the sauce. I feel a piece of the chicken like just stuck in my teeth. It's irritating right now. What you doing, Mama? I don't know what she trying to do right now, y'all.
Mommy.
What? You want some more juice? Here. What, baby?
Mommy.
What?
It's so you.
What? She trying to talk to y'all. I don't know what she's saying. Comment below if you know what she's saying. What?
over.
Hold on, can you make a mess? Hold on, right on.
Ryleigh.
Who else dipped their fries in their ranch? Comment down below. Okay, so that will conclude the video for today, you guys. I am full at this point. Like, I can't finish the rest of this food. She pretty much look like she done because she crawling all around. So, until next time, you guys, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video to be a part of the family. I do thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day.